Today we are touring a gorgeous remodeled house in Gilbert that has a workshop and RV garage. Wow, look at this beautiful open floor plan. Love the detail in that little window. Nice updated flooring, very unique looking front door. Love the archways in the room. Ooh, look at that fireplace. Like all the wood beams. This is a nice little eating area. Great windows with natural light. Loving the remodeled kitchen. Wow, beautiful cabinets and countertops. Those are quartz countertops. Plenty of counter space for cooking. Let's go check out the rooms. Here is a full bathroom. Same beautiful cabinets and countertops. Nice big walk-in shower. Here is the primary suite. It's got a door to the backyard. Here is the bathroom. Same quartz countertops. Really nice looking shower. Same matching cabinets throughout. Now let's go to the backyard. Wow, this is a great oversized lot. Very spacious back here. There's a big RV gate over there. There's the RV garage and workshop, as the house does have a one-car garage on the other side. Wow. This is amazing. Let's check out inside. Look at this. There's even a car lift. Wow, this is very spacious in here. There's a little patio area in the side. So you got covered area, which is great to hang out in. But wow, look at this backyard. This is seriously a lot of great space. Let's go check out the other rooms. Here is another bedroom. And another one. This house is 3 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1801 square feet. This is a door to the backyard. And over here is the single car garage. And it's got a water softener, which is great because Arizona is known for having very hard water, so you definitely need a water softener. This is a great looking house. I love how it's been updated. If you would like more information or a tour, reach out. I had a great time showing you this beautiful house. See you next time.